Assistant, please prepare the patient for the hydrotherapy session. Ensure the pool temperature is maintained at the optimal level and the necessary equipment is ready.
Certainly, Mihira. Should I assist the patient into the pool, or would you prefer to do it yourself?
I'll assist the patient. Please ensure the pool area is clean and free of any potential hazards. Double-check the water quality and pH levels.
Yes, of course. Should I prepare the exercise plan for the session?
That would be helpful. Please review the patient's medical history and tailor the exercises accordingly. We need to focus on improving their range of motion and strength.
Any specific exercises you'd like me to emphasize, Mihira?
Prioritize exercises that target the affected areas, such as the knee and ankle. We can incorporate balance exercises to enhance stability and prevent falls.
I'll prepare the necessary equipment and assist you during the session. Mihira, I understand this is a difficult conversation to have with a parent. It's natural to feel concerned when someone you love seems unwell, but is hesitant to seek help. The reason it's so important for your father to see his doctor is to get a complete picture of his health. What seems like one issue can sometimes be connected to something else. A full medical assessment, including some simple blood tests, allows the doctor to rule out any underlying health conditions that might be contributing to his current state. It's not about finding something wrong, but about getting the right information. Think of it as a preventive step. It gives everyone peace of mind and ensures that if there is anything to address, it can be managed early and effectively. When you talk to him, I recommend focusing on your care for him rather than your worry. You might explain that getting assessed is important for his long-term well-being, so he can continue to do the things he enjoys. Offer to go with him to the appointment for support. Having a familiar face there can make the process much less daunting. Frame it as you both working as a team to look after his health, rather than something he has to face alone. Your support in this way can make all the difference in helping him feel comfortable taking this step.